Hey folks, welcome to another day, another unboxing. This is the OnePlus Warp Charge 50 wireless charger, this year's updated wireless charger for the OnePlus 9 Pro. Check out my OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro unboxing video up here if you haven't already. All right, that's what the box looks like. Some specs, nothing too crazy. Let's open it up. Oh, I can feel it's already falling off. There we go. Boom. That's it. Looks exactly like last year's with one big difference. There is a cable that's removable this year, USB-C cable. Last year the cord was permanently attached, right? So that's it. That's the stand. Looks like this. Okay, this is, by the way, silver plastic. No metal here. There's a fan in here like last year. Big improvement is this, detachable charger basically. So let's get started, and safety and warranty. Don't care about that, but we do care about the let's get started. All right, so here we go. It comes with a cord, and I hope that it comes with a brick, but I'm not actually convinced it does. So let's have a look real quick, okay? So there's a cord in here, but there is no brick in here. That's a big difference versus last year, because last year came with a brick. So C2C cable. Let's see what the manual says. Yeah, I think it says it wants you to connect to a Warp Charge brick. So you probably have to use the brick that came with your phone, since the 9 and 9 Pro both come with a brick. Well, that's a bit of a bummer, isn't it? There we go. You can charge like that as well. That's cool. Well, I guess that's a little bit of a bummer that you don't get a Warp charger included. So it'll be interesting to see how much cheaper this one is. I'll put the price up here. So last year's charger came with a cord and a brick, but that was permanently attached. And it was a 30-watt fast charger, not a 50. So obviously, to get the fastest speed, you want this. And you want to plug it into your Warp Charge adapter that came with your phone. That's it, folks. Not too much else to say. OnePlus Warp Charge 50 wireless charger, folks. That's it. Like, subscribe, tell your friends, click the little notification bell. Tell me in the comments, is this worth it? Or would you just use a standard wireless charger and maybe only get 10 or 15 watt instead? Is it worth it for you? And then remember to listen to the podcast, Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, Pocket Casts, Spotify, mobiletechpodcast.com. That's where you'll hear my thoughts on this product. And stay tuned. I'll have more content soon. Cheers, everybody.